In this video, we will talk about a high growth stock to watch that's on my radar. It is down 10% currently in the morning because it is a high growth stock and all of the growth names are just plummeting today. The VIX is up substantially and we are just having a chaotic morning. For bears, it's obviously very great. For bulls, not so much. So we want to go over what's happening with the microeconomy, what the factors are with that. And also we are going to go over some entry levels and some levels that I'm looking out for personally with this name because I am overall very bullish on this name. And this is ticker symbol Celsius, CELH, Celsius. Perhaps you've heard of the drink. It's a workout soft drink and it's really delicious. They have very fruity flavors and I personally love to taste them. So we will get into why I think there are some key levels to watch out for, some supports and resistances, and we will also talk about the Fed because the Fed is just messing up any news that the bulls have a chance to rally with. So yesterday there was some news about the Fed just raising interest rates substantially, and then the Fed is meeting today at 2. And we just want to make sure that we're being very cautious, very careful today. You've probably noticed your growth names are going down substantially today, and Celsius, ticker symbol CELH, is no different. So we're just going to look at it, and I'm just going to zoom out right now because I wanted to show you what's going on with the daily. Okay, so you can see this huge red candle right here, pretty crazy, right? So we just had a double bottom, and as you can see, there is a wedge, which is really nice. So that means once we get a nice base going, it will either go to the upside and rally a lot more, or go to the downside and fall a ton more. So we, as traders, just need to be ready for either one. So I will give you the key levels for that. Now you can see that I drew in this little support line because it was previous support over here. I am looking for a bounce. And if we do see a bounce, it will be a nice descending triangle, which usually will indicate going up. Now, as you can see, we are not over the 200 MA, so that is definitely something to pay attention to. And of course, if we break down through this support line, it will go all the way to here, which is about around the $45 area. And then we will look for a bounce over here. So if you want to go to the 90-day on the 1 hour, we will set our levels. I will first be looking around this, around $49.25. If that breaks and we don't see buying pressure, I will not enter, and I will look for $43.85 as the next potential entry, and I would look for buyers to step in at that point. If they don't, then we are not going to take this trade again. If they do not, we are not going to take this trade. And we're looking at the 5 minute right now. As you can see, it's just all the way red. The institutions are definitely waiting for the Fed meeting to see if we get rug pulled. I'm not expecting anything personally from the Fed meeting to happen that's going to be out of the ordinary. I think it's just a lot of FUD. So I do think we will see a relief rally. But as we're just seeing a whole bunch of red, and it is a lot. So if we don't see buyers step in soon, I would just say to wait for the next entry level. But those are the levels that I'm looking at right now. So we just want to wait until $49.25, see if the buyers come in. And it looks like this is a very big red candle, but again, anything can happen. And I just wanted to zoom out a little bit more into the weekly because you can see this wedge a little bit better, and you can also see that there is a double bottom and it is above the 200 EMA. If we look at the Bollinger Bands on the daily, it is a little bit flatlined, but it's not going down, which is a good indication. And it's not going down over here either. It's kind of like the MAs can't really make up their mind right now, but I would definitely like to see these pointing upwards to get more buyers in. Now, just be careful about this one because the buyers have not stepped in yet. And it is a seller's market right now for growth names. So just be a little bit aware of that. And for the 5 minute, it looks like there was a bounce off of here. So exactly what we said. And just to make sure that we are confirming this, just wait until there is a green candle. I wanted to get this out really quickly because I know it's going to happen very quickly. So make sure, watch out for this VWAP. This is the next resistance. So make sure that we can accelerate and break through the VWAP and we will see a relief rally higher. And we will go to, I would say, just below the 200 MA at $54.40. So those are the levels that I'm looking for. It looks like we bounced exactly off of there. Wow, that was crazy timing. Okay, so I'm going to get this out as soon as I possibly can because you definitely need to keep this on your watch list. All right, everyone, please like and comment, and please let me know what stock you would like me to go over next. All right, this Supergirl investor here to save the world and make you wealthy. I'm going to post this as soon as I possibly can because this is happening in real time. All right, everyone, bye. Have a great day.